As a senior tax manager here at Yetter Tax and Sales Tax Institute, I have two primary roles. I lead our team of consultants as we help businesses eliminate their sales tax issues and concerns by implementing solutions that really are suitable for their needs. And then I also help our students and followers navigate what I like to call the nuances of sales tax and expand their knowledge with some meaningful content and training. I really enjoy solving problems, which is why sales tax is so intriguing to me. And I love to help others. So, teaching is a way for me that I can really share my knowledge and experiences with others so they can benefit from it. I find that teaching sales tax theory is really great. It's great for basics, so your foundational education of sales tax. But sharing practical applications that people can really use in their daily work is the real differentiator and what provides value. And that's what we really try to do at Sales Tax Institute is to give our students that hands-on practical applications that they can take back with them to their work and just make their work life so much easier and so much more enriched as a result. Well, without question, it's the beignets. It's been such a long time. No, seriously though, we really have a great selection of topics and plenty of time really to spend with everyone for anyone's questions. What I'm really looking forward to most is just connecting with each person and really sharing of everyone's insights, everyone in the class, so that way we can all grow as a result.